Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fixed device disconnect sounds Windows 11. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Sounds. Click Sounds tab. Select Device Disconnect, select None. Second method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand USB settings, click and expand USB selective suspend setting, select Disabled. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, right-click yellow exclamation mark USB Devs, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.